Good morning, second class children. I hope everyone is ready for the class. Okay, fine. So today let me start the next five letters. Previously we had completed K, K, G, Gh. See, have you observed how teacher had written? So all the letters should come on the correct way and write in the proper manner. Finger gap space. Place the finger gap in between the letters and write. Okay. First row you start with K. It's end with a re, then again k to kaha. So every letter should has to written start from the first letter to re matra, then second row will start from k to aha ki matra, right? So you follow this way. Okay, the next one, now we are going to start the cha cha ja jha ni. Okay, so but again I told you now it's like ka kha ga ga, last letter we are not using for ni, and here also cha cha ja ja, only four letters we are going to start the barakadi. We are not including the ni letter. Okay, so let me start the first letters. Look at here children, all of you, please observe carefully how to write the strokes of this letter cha. So we had completed Varnamala, Matra, isn't it? But now we are in Barakhadi. But in spite of that, once again I'll tell you, the thing is what, how to write the cha letter. Be careful. Give us first stroke, cha, and straight line. Okay, then you come to the straight line. This is cha. Don't make a double shape like this, going towards upward and making double. No, this is wrong. So while writing Barakhadi, you be careful writing this cha. Cha say chammach letter is you should write like this way. This is the cha. Okay, don't make the line double. The next letter is cha. Cha is also very most important, children. See, look at here how to start the second cha. Be careful while writing this cha. Look at here, once again I'll show you. Take a slant way. Okay, slant curve line, turn over and give a small line again like a small again on the blue line. Okay, once again I'll show you how to write cha. Look at here, curve line. This is the second stroke. Take a turn, give a one small line, then again slanting line. Okay, now here the thing is what happens, some children they are writing the way how they are writing, you know that they will write like this and they'll make one circle and they will make it they'll give one small line again slipping line. No, this is wrong. Please children, don't make this type of mistake. This is it is totally wrong. Don't do this type of mistake. Okay, be careful while writing. Once again I'll show you how to write cha. Take a curve line, don't lift your fingers. Okay, again you take it inside, take a small curve inside. Okay, now small line, place it here, then slipping line. So first stroke, second stroke you are taking inside, third stroke, and this is the fourth stroke. Okay, so you follow this cha, how to write it, and write very neatly. Okay, so this is, now look at your cha completed. The next ja, ja say jug, straight line. I'll show it here. This is a straight line. Again give a middle line, small middle line. Take it from inside to outside. Say like it's first you're taking from again out to in, it is getting what, cha. Here you are getting inside to again this, take a curve, get into the small line to outer line. So what happened, this is the ja. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke, and fourth stroke. Okay, so ja say jug. Look at carefully, look at the strokes how to write ja ko aki matra. This all the way. The next one jha, also you have seen it how to write, right? Now while writing, how to say and write. Come on, say all of you along with your teacher. While writing, no, you say that this is cha. When you are writing, you say this is cha. Then what is here? Cha ko aki matra cha. Bolo muh se. Cha ko choti ki matra chi. Take a small sound. Again, cha ko badi ki matra chi. Sorry. Cha ko choti ki matra chu. Cha ko badi ki matra chu. चा को री की मात्रा श्री. चा को ये की मात्रा छे. चा को आई की मात्रा चई. चा को ओ की मात्रा चो. चा को औ की मात्रा छौ. चा को अम की मात्रा चम. चा को अह की मात्रा चह. Second letter, ready? So छा, छ, big sound. छा को आ की मात्रा छा. छा को छोटी की मात्रा छी. छा को बड़ी की मात्रा छी. छा को छोटी ओ की मात्रा छु. छा को बड़ी ओ की मात्रा छू. छा को री की मात्रा श्री. छ को ए की मात्रा छे. छ को ऐ की मात्रा छई. छ को ओ की मात्रा छो. छ को औ की मात्रा छौ. छ को अम की मात्रा छम. छ को अह की मात्रा छह. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. ज, दिस इज ज. ज को आ की मात्रा जा. जा को छोटी की मात्रा जी. जा को बड़ी की मात्रा जी. जा को छोटी ओ की मात्रा जू. जा को बड़ी ओ की मात्रा जू. जा को री की मात्रा ज्री. जा को ए की मात्रा जे. जा को ऐ की मात्रा जई. जा को ओ की मात्रा जो. जा को औ की मात्रा जौ. जा को अम की मात्रा जम. जा को अह की मात्रा जहा. नेक्स्ट झ, फोर्थ लेटर. झा को आ की मात्रा झा. झा को छोटी की मात्रा झी. झा को बड़ी की मात्रा झी. झा को छोटी ओ की मात्रा झू. झा को बड़ी ओ की मात्रा झू. झा को री की मात्रा झ्री. झा को ए की मात्रा झे. झा को ऐ की मात्रा झई. झा को ओ की मात्रा झो. झा को औ की मात्रा झौ. झा को अम की मात्रा झम. झा को अह की मात्रा जहा. So complete this way. Okay, follow the proper way, place the finger gap and complete it. Okay, is it clear, children? So you had practiced that previously matraएं. Please, this regular practice is very must. Okay, this matraएं you should have to do the practice every time. In rough book you do this practice. Write matraएं from a to aha means you should have to write from a to aha matraएं. Is it clear? And Chandrabindu too. The next one is we had completed ka to ni, cha cha ja ja na, cha cha ja ja. Now the next is 5 letters, that is ta tha da dha ana. So tomorrow teacher will explain you about the next 5 letters. Okay, now from the third row you should have to include the last letter, that is ana letter. Okay, so first 2 letters we didn't include the 5th letter, that is ni letter, but third row 5th letter is included. అర్థమైందా? ఫస్ట్ 2 లెటర్స్లో మనం నీని ఇంక్లూడ్ చేయలేదు, ఓన్లీ 4 లెటర్స్ బారాఖడి రాసాము. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, సెకండ్ రో చ ఛ జ ఝ, ఇక్కడ 5th లెటర్ లేదు. అదే అలానే ఇక్కడ కూడా 5th లెటర్ లేదు. ఓకే, సో మనం ఏం చేసాము, ఓన్లీ 4 లెటర్స్. ఫస్ట్ రో 4 లెటర్స్, సెకండ్ రో 4 లెటర్స్ వీ హ్యాడ్ కంప్లీటెడ్. టుమారో టీచర్ వే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు స్టార్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు స్టార్ట్ థర్డ్ రో 5 లెటర్స్. ప్లీజ్ చిల్డ్రన్, యూ డోంట్ బీ వెరీ రషింగ్ అండ్ గషింగ్. టీచర్ మాకు వచ్చేసింది బారాఖడి మేము రాసేస్తామంటే హ్యాండ్ రైటింగ్ మాత్రం డర్టీగా ఉంటే ఐ కాంట్ డూ ద కరెక్షన్స్. ఐ వోంట్ డూ ద కరెక్షన్, నాట్ ఐ కాంట్, ఐ వోంట్ డూ ద కరెక్షన్స్. So please children, place the finger gap, sharp your pencil while writing, look at the pencil let, yes, you have to keep like this. Okay, so write very neatly, then your strokes it won't go wrong. Okay, I hope this class is very clear for you. So tomorrow be ready for the next 5 letters class. Okay, thank you children.